Hello students, today we will learn chapter 2 parts of computer. As you all know, our body comprises of different parts and each part has its own function. Similarly, computer has different parts which have its own function and which makes computer work properly. We have many parts of computer, but there are mainly 4 parts which are important. First one is monitor, second is keyboard, third is mouse and fourth is CPU. So let's start with the first part, that is monitor. Monitor looks like a television screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer, like drawing or typing. All things you do is visible on the monitor. The second part of the computer is keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. It has many buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. And children, do you know there are in total 104 keys on the keyboard? Keyboard help us to type alphabets, numbers and special symbols. For example, if you are typing a letter to your friend, so you need letters, punctuation marks and many more symbols. All these letters, punctuation marks, symbols, numbers, everything is available on the keyboard. Let's move on to the next part of computer, which is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The work of CPU is almost similar to the brain, as brain give instruction to the different parts of the body and the parts of the body work accordingly. Similarly, CPU instructs the other parts of the computer and tell them how they are supposed to work. All other parts of computers are connected to the CPU through the wire. And the fourth part of computer is a mouse. Children, you know that your mouse, that is a part of a computer, looks exactly same like a real mouse. Mouse is also known as a pointing device. Why it is called a pointing device? Because it has a pointer on the screen which helps you to point, move and select. That arrow which you see on the screen while you move the mouse is known as a pointer. Learn about the types of mouse. 2-button mouse was used earlier. There was no scroll wheel between the buttons. Only 2 buttons, left button and right button was there in 2-button mouse. Later, the mouse which was invented was scroll mouse. It was a mouse with a scroll wheel. In the scroll mouse, there were again 2 categories. The number 1 was an optical mouse and the other one was a ball mouse. The ball mouse had a ball inside it. As and when ball moves, the arrow on the screen also moves, whereas optical mouse had a laser light in place of a ball. As the mouse moves, the light also moves along with it, and arrow on the screen also moves. Now let's learn about few more parts of computer. Printer. Printer gives you the copy of the work done on the computer. It can be a text, it can be a picture. The copy which comes out of a printer is called a hard copy. The next part of the computer is microphone. Microphone helps us to record the sound in the mobile or in the computer. There is a microphone inside a phone too, which helps us to talk to anyone. Speakers helps us to listen to the music or sounds which are recorded on the computer. But if we listen anything on the speaker, it may disturb other people in the room. So what is the solution to this? Solution is headphone. Headphone help us to hear the music without disturbing others. It is also called earphones. Next part of computer is compact disc, which is popularly known as CD. CD stores information inside it, but we need a CD drive to play the information inside the CD. Hard disk and pen drive. Both of them are used to store the information. Hard disk is inside the computer. Children, when you go to the lab, you save your drawings? Yes. So where are you saving it? You are saving it in the hard disk inside the computer. Whereas pen drive also stores information, but it is not inside the computer. You can store and carry pen drive anywhere you want. It is specially used to copy information from one computer to another. So children, here we come to the end of the chapter. So let's have a quick recall of few parts of the computer which we have learned today. Okay, number 1, This part is also known as television. What it is? It is a monitor. Number 2, it is also known as the brain of the computer. Yes, central processing unit, CPU. Number 3, it looks like a real mouse. Yes, the pointing device, mouse. Number 4, it has many keys on it. What it is? It's a keyboard. And number 5, it prints the work done on the computer. And the answer is printer. I hope you understood all the topics which has been taught in this video. Okay, stay home and stay safe. Bye. Thank you.